Hi.
Hi. How can I help?
I have a Whirlpool fridge wrt318fzdw02 and food is freezing in the refrigerator. I replaced the thermistor and fridge was good a couple days now doing same thing. Is there another thermistor and freezer that could be causing same issue? Thanks.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
For about 3 weeks I replaced the thermistor and fridge a couple of days ago was good for a couple days now doing same thing.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I also tried putting fridge in diagnostic mode and it will not go in.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your refrigerator. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to look up your model and type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing.
The unit seems to be running even though the temperature has been satisfied. Fridge is getting down to 25 degrees as I have a appliance thermometer in it.
There are a lot of things that can cause a refrigerator to warm up, but only 2 things that can cause the refrigerator to get too cold. There is a refrigerator temperature sensor that can go out of range, and there is the control board behind the buttons you push that reads the sensor. The sensor is much cheaper than the control board, but you already replaced that. That means your control board is faulty and needs to be replaced. Below is a link to the part you need to order for your model. https://www.genuinereplacementparts.com/w11436574 OEM. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
Okay, thanks for your assistance. Have a great day.
You're welcome, and good luck.
Hi, Tyler would like to ask you a quick question. This electronic control board that you suggest I replace is basically replacing the one in the control box, yes?
That is correct, yes.
Hi Tyler, I spoke to you last week in regards Whirlpool refrigerator freezing food. I replaced the thermistor and control board was good for 2 days now doing same thing again. Is there a thermistor in the freezer that could be causing the same issue because it just keeps running even though it's reached temperature? Thanks, John.
There is not a thermistor in the freezer. Either the thermistor in the refrigerator section came faulty or the control board came faulty. There is nothing else that can cause the refrigerator to get too cold.
Thank you for your assistance and expertise, much appreciated.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.